Stewy, Emery, Robin, and Mark are on the Prima in Cannes, France for day 6 of our Rome to Barcelona cruise. Our Ashore excursion today is the NCL, Nice, and the View from Ez tour. Our ship anchored in the Bay of Cannes, and we took tenders to the shore. The view as we came into port was beautiful with all the yachts in the harbor. After docking, we boarded a bus and headed to Nice to explore the historic Old Town. It was a bit cold and drizzly, so we did not walk around very long. Instead, we headed indoors and enjoyed some local food and cappuccinos at a warm, cozy cafe next to the flower market. After Nice, our bus traveled along the Moyenne Corniche, a winding cliffside road to the captivating village of Ez. Join us today on our adventure as we explore Nice and Ez, or as the Americans say, nice and easy.
I would like to welcome you here to the French Riviera and most especially to Cannes, where we are now. My name is Monique, I'll be your guide today. And let me introduce you to the very important man who is going to take us exactly where we want to go. That is the driver, Yannick.
Hello. Hello.
No, I'm jealous.
Yannick.
I said, hello, I'm Monique. Of course, no reaction. Hello. So, and then to make it to Nice, we're going to take the highway.
Nice, France is a captivating city along the Mediterranean Sea and a leading resort city on the French Riviera. We drove down the famous Promenade des Anglais. Nice was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2021.
Yeah, it wasn't forecast to be cold and drizzly today.
We're coming to a day really nice and easy.
Yeah, yesterday was beautiful.
It's Nice and Ez.
Nice and Ez and Cappuccinos because we're all kind of cold. So what we discovered is these cappuccinos don't have handles. And it's interesting. So you have to hold them, literally cup them in your hands and keep your hands nice and warm. Stewy got a ham and cheese omelet, and Mark got a big, giant double cheeseburger. Good grief. And what did Robin get?
I got 2 eggs, bacon, and 2 pancakes.
Oh, yummy. And I got a second cappuccino and some French fries. This is the place.
We're in Nice briefly on our way to Ez, so that's really nice. And it was supposed to be a really nice day, and we're having a little sprinkles right now. But we are in the old town where the markets are here. We just had a little breakfast. It was delicious. And we're on our way back to the bus so we can head to Ez. Founded in 350 BC, Nice's history includes influences from Italy, given its proximity to the border, and a mix of French and Mediterranean cultures. This blend is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and lifestyle.
Stewy's smiling for some reason. Why?
Oh, no, it's just beautiful.
Wasn't this on your bucket list?
Ez, yeah.
Ez, yes, we're at Ez.
Medieval village, the top of a hill.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Ez is a charming medieval village nestled atop a rocky hill, offering fairy tale vistas of the Mediterranean Sea. Its narrow cobblestone century-old alleys wind through the stone houses, creating a maze that feels straight out of a storybook. We encountered art galleries, shops, and mesmerizing viewpoints along the way.
Oh, great. Noisy. It's okay, go ahead. Just talk anyway.
It just seems to follow us.
I know.
All the noises and trucks like to follow us, but look at this. We're going to go to this beautiful garden right now, and I'll show you later what I bought.
Yeah.
We are in the town of Ez, France, And it's this most beautiful medieval village on the top of a cliff. It's just a little, look at these
This is the
streets.
best medieval village we've ever been in. I mean, look at this. This is unreal. It's just so tight and quaint. It's beautiful.
All right, let's show them the view.
Let's show them the view and the gardens. So look at these.
I know. Look
this.
at
This
how
is
we walk
incredible.
through.
Wow, it's unreal. Don't get too far. Okay, here we come. Here, I'll go ahead of you, okay?
Okay, look at this
Oh,
tree.
my gosh.
Wow.
Wow. Stewy and Emery have to stay here or move here?
Yes, I
This
think
is
so.
amazing.
So it costs €5
Okay,
to get in here.
€5. See if it's worth it. Everyone says it is.
How do you do this? Oh,
There you buy the
guess we got the
ticket
tickets here. Oh, sorry.
Hello.
Okay, two. See?
And we scan the ticket. Right, good.
Okay.
One. No, you can
That's
wait.
yours.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, good.
How pretty the tickets are.
Yeah, keep those.
So this is the exotic garden of Ez.
See it.
The exotic garden of Ez.
Yes. Noisy. Look at prickly pear cactus.
Oh yeah.
We have prickly pear margaritas.
Mark
in
and Robin
Tucson.
wave. It sure is.
Wow.
Wow, this was worth it.
Totally worth it.
The exotic garden is Stewy recommended and a must-see while there. A botanical gem perched 1,400 feet above the Mediterranean Sea on the site of a medieval fortress. From the garden, we enjoyed one of the most spectacular vistas of the French Riviera. The garden features numerous species of succulent plants and all kinds of cacti from all continents. It's a living museum of botanical wonders. Emery and I definitely want to come back here. This is absolutely amazing.
This is stunning.
So glad we did this.
Wow. For €5. Totally
Yeah.
worth it.
Totally.
Stewy approved, right, Stewy?
Stewy approved. Definitely come to these
Yeah.
gardens. Yeah.
Amen is right.
Yes, beautiful.
Well, choice landscapes of princes and film directors.
Wow, I can see.
I could see like Game of Thrones being shot here or something, you know?
Yeah.
Can you imagine having an apartment down there right on the edge of the cliff? And look at that church right on the end. I wonder if we can even go see what that's all about. There's people's patios, private patios. Mark, we were right up there. Straight down. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna walk over and watch this. You're gonna get that sensation when this goes over. Oh man, I got queasy on that one. Don't let Stewy go near that. Look at if this was your front door. Wouldn't that be amazing?
Yeah.
Because you know the view is incredible. Hi. Well, the way it changes colors is what is spectacular about it. If we can find out what it is. We are in Ez.
We're in Ez, France, which is between Nice and Monaco. This is one of the most beautiful medieval cities we have ever seen.
Ever.
And Emery and I are going to see about coming back and staying here.
Yeah, there's hotels inside there and the views are absolutely stunning.
Now we're going to go to a perfume factory.
Yep.
At the foot of this medieval village is the Fragonard Perfume Factory. Founded in 1926, their perfume process has been passed down for 4 generations. The tour took us through the factory and the laboratory and then to the beautiful gift shop. Dinner on the ship was especially memorable as we slowly left the Bay of Cannes and enjoyed the views at sunset. We're at Hudson's Main Dining.
Yeah, with the 270-degree view like this. You can.
This is my favorite
venues.
Cheers.
Had a wonderful
Bring it all in. Wonderful. Cheers. Where did we go? Huh?
We went to Nice and Easy.
Nice and easy.
Or
That's
as
right.
the French call it, Nice and Ez.
Yes. And we went to the coolest medieval town ever.
Of Ez today.
Of Ez.
After dinner, we had cocktails and listened to some live entertainment and even admired the artwork before calling it a night.